Hello, my friends. Real quick before I get to today's pour, I just want to show you the giant ornament finished and what I did on the back. I initially thought I would hang it by the embroidery hoop, and I did. I had it hanging for about 3 days, and it started to loosen a little bit on the back of this coaster. So that is a lot to ask of that little embroidery hoop to hold the weight of this whole thing. So I decided to just have that be decorative, and I wired the back. So it will hang, all the responsibility will be on this little wire here. I always use D-rings on my artwork and wire and tape the edges, make it nice and neat and safe. And then I've also put a little note there for anybody who gets it to store it carefully, covering it the front with wax paper or parchment paper, and don't stack anything on it. So anyway, this is on here nice and secure. I hot glued the bow to the top as well. So there it is. And I'm heading off to the gallery with it in a few minutes. So a little later today I'll be doing a pour, and I'll just add this to the front of it. Thank you, my friends. Bye-bye. Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour with leftovers today. I have leftover paints from the last Christmas pour I did, and a few other ones I had laying around, so I had an idea. So let's just try it and see. It's kind of a rainbow assortment of colors, so I'm just going to pour little puddles. I'll put the recipe in the description box, but for the most part, it's the, I think just Floetrol water. I can't remember the ratios, but I will put it down below. That's not much different, but it is. Okay. I'm going to move on to some other colors before I see if I have to add. Didn't have much yellow. Now for some yellow green. Kind of pouring them in rainbow order. I don't have much blue either. I should have looked at my colors a little more carefully before I started this. Back to the violet, I guess. Or not back to, I hadn't added it yet. Pay no attention to what I'm saying, just Watch what I'm doing. This one. I think that's got to be the Prizm pour, Poinsettia. So beautiful. What else have I got? I got more of this red. I want to be sure to have coverage on the canvas, so I'm going to add a little more of that. I think I can come over here with that as well. That's about it. Yes, I have pretty much used up my leftovers. So now I'm going to tilt it around some, fill in the gaps and get close to the edges. I should add more yellow. I've got some stuff in here I wish I didn't have. Let me fish those out. And I thought I saw some lumps of some kind, but now I don't know where they are. Oh well. There's one. I guess I'll go to the edges. My goodness. It's kind of crazy out there between the birds and the dogs. Okay, my idea is to drizzle black all over this. I got the idea when I was doing the Christmas pour the other day before I blew it out, and I really liked the ribbon look, and I thought had it been black, it might have looked like stained glass. So that's my hope here. We'll see if it pans out. I don't know if I'm going to be tilting or not, so I think I'll take my gloves off. I can always put them back on. If I want to tilt some more. So here we go. I have some black mixed. It's kind of thick because I want the lines to stay hopefully kind of skinny. Here we go. I'm just going to drizzle them all over crazy directions. And here we go.